everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we've got Eve's parcel to unbox. Now the Eve's parcel is $15.99 a month. It is slightly more dearer than Pink Parcel. I do have a little trouble with these. I've actually tried to email them and told them that I want a nighttime pad, but they haven't got back to me, so I think that this may be my last one of theirs. It could be. They need to change the choice, is because they don't have they don't cater for people who's got heavy floor, and I am a heavy floor person, and Pink Parcel do. They have heavy floor pads and they have a better selection than these do in my category anyway, in my thing. I emailed them, they didn't get back to me, so you know, it could be they've gone. It could be that way. I need them to actually consider people with heavy flow periods, because people have all sorts of periods. They have light, medium and heavy. Mine is sadly heavy. So anyway, here it is, the Eve's parcel. Look at it. And this is the October one. So we'll just take this out like that, and then we will unbox it. Let's see all of these little nice treats that's in here. I'll take those out and have a look at them in a minute. Right, okay, so there is one thing that they are good at, is these, because once you get your period, I get pains in my back, I get a bad back, and this is like really helpful, but you can't get them in Poundland. So we will see how this box goes. So then let's just pick something else out. So this is the coffee scrub, and it's the orange one, and it sounds really nice. We'll just put that to there. Sorry, I'm a bit sniffly because I've got a cold at the minute. So, oh, what is this? This looks really interesting. It is drinking fudge. Oh wow, chocolate orange drinking chocolate. That is perfect for when you're on your monthlies. They seem to get the contents right, but not the pads. So it's something that they need to look at, because this is really good. So then the next item, we've got a lipstick, and it is the Cougar liquid lipstick. I remember this one because I got it last year. Can you remember it? It was on Facebook where you got a free choice of a Cougar lipstick. I chose this one and I got it again. I love this one, I do. I have it in my bedroom somewhere with all my other makeup items, but please, I got that. So then we got we must have a face mask, because that's like a face masky brush. So, wow, it's okay. Right, I think that this might be the face mask. Oh, we got one of them hurty face masks. Oh, it's the black mask. That was super painful last year. I tried that on my channel. I have it somewhere, a video of me doing the black mask. And I was in agony, but it worked. So, quite good. Oh, and then we got a handmade fudge by the Clotted Cream Company. Well, I'll have a look at that in a minute. So this must be all of the pads that you get. Now then, I think I might have got some nighttime pads, but you don't have a good selection of them. No, these are not nighttime pads. They're just not nighttime pads. I think that this might be the nighttime pads. There is some nighttime pads. Just so they only put 3 in, and I need these all the time. And with Pink Parcel, I do get them all the time, nighttime pads. They're just day ones. So let's just go through this again. Alright, so then we'll pull out this, and I'll show you this lipstick, because it's really, really pretty colour. So this is made by Cougar, and Cougar is cruelty free. And I think that I got the mulberry one. Oh, I'm not sure if I got mulberry or candy. It looks to be like, so it could look like, I think it's mulberry. It looks, maybe it's like mulberry, or is it candy? I don't know. I like the look of it already though. Oh, something's dropped out. Oh, you can use that as a tester, I think. I will use that as a tester. Right. So anyway, so this is the colour of it. Yes, every day last, was it Christmas time? Might have been about this time last year. I remember going to Christmas market with it on. Oh, look at that. Jesus. I need to get a tissue. There we go, it's gone. Anyway, so that is that. We got it on eventually. Right, so then we got the papers, didn't we? I'll just show you the papers. So it says we're going to go on about the orange bath scrub. So there it is, as you see it. Look, there we go. Right, so this is the orange bath scrub, and it says strip off, take scrub into the bathroom and get ready to make a little bit of a mess. Wow, so I must remember that when I do that. It's going to make a bit of a mess. So there we go. Let's just see what it's actually like. If it does smell like oranges, I will love it. Because I like oranges as well. It smells like orange chocolate. You know, like the chocolate orange drink. It does smell exactly like that. So, but it says it's coffee orange, but it smells like chocolate orange. Anyway, so there it is. You see it? Right, so that is that. Now I need to tie that up because it'll get messy. Right, so then we got this little piece of paper. And with every each parcel, you seem to get a yoga or an exercise movement, which will help you during the month, during the week that you get your monthlies. And this one is the one-armed camel one. Really interesting. But it says it's a yoga move of the month, and this month's move of the month, one-armed camel, is it. So the camel stance increases flexibility in the spine, the nervous system and the abdomen. It opens the chest and shoulders and helps with digestion. Stretching the back and abdominal area helps ease menstrual cramps and aches and pains. Kneel on a yoga mat and place one hand behind your body near your toes. Extend the other arm outwards in the same direction, reaching as far as you can behind your body. Inhale and exhale a few breaths and repeat on the other side. So there you go, that is what you've got to do. It looks like that, so get your yoga moves on. Right, so then we got in this is parcel. I am affirmation of the month. Know that you're enough, you're a beautiful creation. The world needs your unique self and unique gifts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Explore new experiences. Embrace change. Find your strength. Have faith. Fall in love. And fall in love with yourself. Because that's the most important thing, isn't it? Because you have to love yourself to get on with other people. So there we go, inspirational quote of this month's Eve's Parcel. So then we got, this is going to go on a bit about the box, and we are going to start it off with this. This Cougar lipstick is full size, and I got the mulberry. That's one I got last year. Really good one. It's mulberry, and that is £7. So that was full size, so pretty good. And the coffee scrub is RRP price is £10. This is also full size, so that's £17. So I'm happy. We got £17. Yes. And so then we got this. This is like really interesting. This is the Kitchen Fudge clotted cream. I'll just try it just to see what it's exactly like. that is it there. Look at that. It looks really nice, homemadey. It looks homemade. It is supposed to be homemade, so let's just try this. I will just take a little pinch of it there. Oh wow, that is really nice. That is one of the best tasting fudges. That's gorgeous. I don't want to eat too much of it though, because I'm on a diet at the minute, so I will probably give that to my daughter. She's not on that much of a diet, whereas I am. So that is that. And how much is that? That one is £3 and it's full size. So then we're moving on to the Pure Skincare Charcoal Black Mask. This is £3.99 and it is full size, and you get the brush with it. So then we got the Fudges Kitchen Chocolate Drinking Chocolate. This is £1.50 and probably is full size. So then we got the Char Heat, the Cura Heat, not Char Heat, Cura Heat pads. These is £3.99 and for a pack of 3. It's not bad actually for the price, which is £15, but I would have liked more nighttime pads, because I would, if I was relying on this box, I'd have to go and buy some more pads. So let's just see. I will email them again about that issue, that they need to get more nighttime pads. And let's just see if I get this again next month. But we'll see. If you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!